Legends of Learning presents The Equation Factory, Equations and Inequalities game. This is a math game that makes learning about answering questions with equations fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, time to work. Assemble robot parts based on the solutions of equations and inequalities. Focus on finding the solutions based on number sense, and do not forget to check your solution. Otherwise, you'll have a faulty robot.
Amazing job.
This math game will test your knowledge of solving equations. You will use the keyboard buttons to move the claw left or right. Use the X key to pick up items with the claw, and press spacebar to rotate boxes to select the right image. Move left and right to collect the right pieces to assemble a robot.
We learned all that we need about.
If you answer the math questions correctly, then you will be able to build more robots in the factory. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.